Technology, lithium polymer, runtime, up to 120 hours, wireless interface, Bluetooth 4.0, width, 15.2 mm, weight, 11.34 grams, height, 9.5 mm, max operating temperature, 45 degrees Celsius, minimum operating temperature, -20 degrees Celsius, max altitude operating, 9144 m, included accessories, USB charging cable, wristband, 140 to 176 mm, wristband, 161 to 209 mm, wireless sync dongle, protection, splashproof, waterproof, preloaded software, silent alarm, compliant standards. Directive May 1999/EC, FCC Part 15, RandTTE, Directive September 2006 5/EC, Directive June 2011 5/EU, N5058/1 2012, N60950 Extension 1, 2006 A12 2011, N300 328V1.71, October 2006, N301 489 Extension 17V2.21, September 2012, Vibrating Alert, yes, system requirements for PC connection, Apple macOS X 10.5 or later, Microsoft Windows Vista /XP/7/8 records steps taken, distance traveled and calories burned. Silent wake alarm and water resistant. Track your goals with online and mobile tools. Set your goals and sync your stats. Note: to charge your Flex, plug the charging cable into the USB port on your computer. Remove the tracker from the wristband and insert it into the charging cable, with the LED indicator lights facing up. The LED indicator lights will progressively illuminate on your Flex as it charges. Each light represents 20% of the maximum charge. Once all 5 lights pulse in unison, your Flex will be fully charged. Charging completely can take up to 3 hours. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.